Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are here with a new topic. Are you ready? Let's see what we are going to learn today. Topics for today's lesson are Introduction of number 5, Oral counting of numbers 1 till 30. Objectives of today's lesson are students will be able to recognize number 5, relate quantity with the number, identify number 5 and learn its formation, trace and write number 5, orally count numbers 1 till 30 in sequence. This is number 5. Let's learn more about number 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples in this apple pie. There are 5 birds flying in the sky. There are 5 cookies in this cookie jar. There are 5 points on a star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples in this apple pie. There are 5 birds flying in the sky. There are 5 cookies in this cookie jar. There are 5 points on a star. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It was fun counting numbers. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Now what is here to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books. Dear students, I am sure you will enjoy counting these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds.
After 4 comes 5, 5, 5, the number 5, 5, 5, 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5, 5, 5 golden rings, 5, 5. After 4 comes 5, 5, 5, the number 5, 5, 5, 5 monkeys swinging, 5, 5, 5 bees a buzzing, 5, 5. After 4 comes 5, 5, 5, the number 5, 5, 5, 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5, 5, 5 golden rings, 5, 5. After 4 comes 5, 5, 5, the number 5, 5, 5, 5 monkeys swinging, 5, 5, 5 bees a buzzing, 5, 5.
Today we are learning about number 5. Now let's recall the things we need to remember while doing written work. Write date and day. Trace hollow numbers with different colors. Trace and write number 5 with lead pencil or crayon. Write number 5 with correct number formation. Color the pictures.
Pull down, circle round, put a hat on top.
Pull down, circle round, put a hat on top.
Straight line down, then around. Put hat on a top. This is number 5. Now let's practice again. Straight line down, then around. Put hat on a top. This is number 5. Let's practice writing number 5 on our green boards. Write number 5 many times with correct number formation. Remember, straight line down, then around, put hat on a top. This is number 5. Open your smart number workbook, page number 11. Try to write number 5 with correct number formation many times. Also color the pictures. On page number 12, count, trace and write number 5 with correct number formation. Write number 5 in your math notebook. Also draw the quantity. Sample copy work is given for you. It's time to do some oral counting. Let's count numbers 1 till 30 in sequence. My dear students, it's time to revise what we have learned today. Today, we have learned about number 5. We can now relate quantity with number 5. We can trace and write number 5 with correct number formation, and we can orally count numbers 1 till 30 in sequence. Try to practice numbers in your free time. I'll come again with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.